Ar ei ebysod yma efo plan da, ond ar ei newid ar hanner amser ar y roi dipyn mwy o hyder i'r boys, bai fi am y cynta, ond efo'r subs o gynnu heddiw i newid y gêm. So, hwnna ydy'r peth pwysig, dyn ni wedi gwneud y dda. Mis Ionawr, just y pre-season yma i gael y chwaraewyr yma fewn, ond mae hwnna'n briliant. So, dyn ni wedi dod y quality ar heddiw, a hwnna ydy'r wahaniaeth.
Well, Steve, is it a same old story? Took the lead, decent performance, but you've come away with a defeat again.
Yeah, I don't think we can play for 90 minutes. I think we have a good first half so far. Most of the games this season we played, we've done well first half, and we just go to pieces second half. I don't know if it's a mental thing or fitness or what. We just can't put my finger on it.
Yeah, how do you go about trying to solve an issue like that?
We just keep going. I think, I'll be honest, I don't think we deserve to win today. Out of the game, I thought Caernarfon were the better team, but you know, when I come on and speak to people, I'm honest, and so far this season I think we should have picked up a lot more points than we've got at the moment, but we didn't deserve anything tonight.
Nathon ni'n dod anodd iddyn ni yn mynd gol lawr y fuan, ond nathon ni allan y second half ac oedden ni lot gwell tîm.
Yeah, fel o'n i'n gweud, selling the game, hapus gyda Sirathi o ran ti hefyd?
Ynddo, mae y hyd yn neis sgorio gol, ond y 3 pwynt yna sy'n bwysig.
Ni'n gweld un gol fan hyn nawr, y coesiad na gan Darren Thomas a'r peniad.
Mae'n siŵr am y penalty chwaith.
Ie, ni'n gwylio hwn nawr, wrth ni'n siarad gyda Sean. Ath i mewn, sdim ots?
Do, dyna sy'n bwysig ar eich cefn y net yn diwedd do.
Mae'n diddorol y record adre yma, mae fe'n addawol iawn, chwarae tair, ennill tair, faint mor bwysig yw hynny?
Yndi, mae'n enwedig pryd chi'n clywed y fans yma heno, maen nhw'n effernol o dda pryd maen nhw'n cefnogi ni fel so mae o'n neud o lot haws iddyn ni dod adre i chwarae fo yma.